And within 6 months, this city will be markedly brighter.
We're going to digitize all the 5,000 government services in the next 6 months.
Tumekubaliana ya kwamba kila chief in the next 6 months atakuwa na tablet. In 6 months' time, the stadium in Kamarin in West Pokot, which is historic, will be complete.
Mimi nataka nikueleze hivi. Nimekuja hapa mlimani baada ya miezi 6.
Kwamba SHA ita collapse in 6 months. For the next 6 months, every ministry will be in charge of a day for planting trees so that we can get to a target in time. Hii barabara ndani ya miezi 6 itakuwa imekamilika kufika pale Gilgil. Kuanzia mwezi wa 6, hiyo mtungi itatoka shilingi 2,800 mpaka shilingi 500 ama 300. We are going to transform Gikomba in the next 6 months. A gentleman from the village here was telling me how in the last 6 months